Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my baked spinach shrimp macaroni. Okay, it's going to be so easy. Like I always said, it's always easy. Okay, so let me show you guys what I have for you today. Okay, as you can see here, I have my shrimp already marinated. Okay, and I have my spinach and all my veggies. Okay, and here I have garlic, okay, and also I have my carnation milk, okay, my macaroni, okay, and here I'm going to use two different kind of cheese. Okay, I have mozzarella cheese, and here I have my Parmesan cheese. Okay, okay, now let's start cooking, guys. Okay, as you can see here, I have my pot warming up, and then the water start boiling. Okay, I'm going to add my pasta, my macaroni. Okay, alright, I think one box should be enough. Let me add another one. Not too much, guys, just half of it. Okay, okay, that should be. All right, now here, let me cover it up. Okay, here, and this, I'm going to cook my shrimp. I'm adding some olive oil, not too much. Okay, and I'm adding my garlic. Okay, let me stir it up. Okay, and what I'm going to do next, guys, I'm going to add my shrimp. I'm using this spoon, guys, because I'm not adding any water from to my shrimp. Okay, the juice from the shrimp, I'm going to just leave it. Okay, give it a stir. Let me add some black pepper. Okay, some onion, garlic salt. Okay, onion powder. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, guys, I'm going to just cover it up, and then when we come back, we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay, guys, as you can see, my macaroni already cooked. Okay, I'm just letting the water to go down. Okay, and I'm going to use this bowl for my macaroni, and my shrimp's already cooked. Okay, now when we come back, we'll finish up everything. Okay, okay, guys, now it's time to finish up everything. Okay, let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, I have my macaroni. Okay, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my spinach. Okay, don't worry, guys, my hand already cleaned up. Okay, I'm adding all my veggies. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to add my mayonnaise. Okay, some salt, one teaspoon, guys, and some Italian seasoning. Okay, and black pepper. Okay, and I'm going to add my onion powder, guys. Okay, garlic salt. Okay, now I'm adding my milk. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, next I'm going to add my shrimp. You have to be careful, guys, so you don't want to have too much water in your macaroni. Okay, so okay, that's good. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, guys, remove some stuff, give it a stir. Okay, my stove already warming up on 350, and I'm going to put it in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, guys, because you know the macaroni already cooked, so you don't want it to, you know, overcook. Okay, now I'm adding my cheese, my mozzarella cheese first. Okay, and then the Parmesan gonna be on top. Okay, okay guys, I'm going to finish that up, and when we come back we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. Okay, okay guys, this is going to be so delicious, guys. I hope you guys try it. Okay, okay guys, I'm going to put it in the oven, like I said before, for 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, on 350. Okay, when we come back we'll check on everything. Okay, come back. Okay guys, now everything's ready. Let me show you guys how everything comes out. Okay, here, look at that, guys. Very beautiful. You see that? Let me show you. You see that? Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put a little parsley on top of it. Okay, all right, that's it, guys. Okay, give it a try, guys. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, and simple. All right, that's it. Okay, if you like this recipe, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Okay, and remember, give it a try. Okay, and let me know how everything comes out. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.